Hey guys, so welcome back to another video of the Toro Timecutter rebuild project. So here's our deck, finally all painted, and we're gonna be putting it back together. So here's all the new parts. We got some new decals, we got some Toro high lift blades, we got the new grass chute, new idler, new tensioner, pulleys. And here's all the new bearings for the spindles. You can see these are sealed bearings. I'm gonna be uploading another video on how to replace these. They're pretty easy to replace. So if you're looking to see how to do the spindle bearings on your time cutter, go on my channel and find the other video where I got one showing you how to do just the bearings on these time cutters. So let me go ahead and start putting this thing together. I'll show you how it looks like when it's all finished up, and then we're gonna be putting it back on the mower, and we're pretty much on the final stretch with this project. So here it is, the final product, fully rebuilt deck. Yeah, this is how it looks. We got the deck back mounted. I actually did a little test run, so we cut some grass with it. It works perfect. No vibrations, no nothing, no noise. So everything's back to original spec and cutting like new. But somebody in the comments suggested that I should repaint the wheels. I was already planning on repainting the white ones because there's some paint chipping and some rust spots on the one of the rear wheels. So I was planning on respraying them white, but somebody suggested I should go black. So I'm probably gonna do that. So we're taking the wheels off right now, and we're gonna be prepping those and probably spraying them gloss black like some of the newer generation Toros. Also, I'm gonna have to do something with this, try to get some shine back on this paint. I'm gonna try some techniques and maybe try to buff it out. If that don't work, I might have to paint it, but we'll see how it goes. I actually got it stripped down with some chemicals, so that's why it's a little dull. So I was prepping it to get it to where I can go ahead with some product and actually try and buff it. So I'm gonna do that and see how that turns out. But right now, yeah, like I said, we're taking the wheels off and getting those done today, and then we'll come back to this project, and it's probably going to be the final video after that when it's all put together, and we'll see how it looks like and get that final breakdown on the total cost. So hope you're enjoying the videos so far. If you are, please remember, hit that like button for me. It really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video. So stay safe and be blessed. Until next time.